In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate and utilize the app na2.hubspot.com effectively. We'll guide you through everything you need to know so you can start making the most out of HubSpot, especially focusing on its service and chat functionalities. Let's get started. First things first, open your preferred web browser and head over to the HubSpot user guide. This is your starting point. You can do this by simply entering the HubSpot URL in your address bar. This guide is your home base, and it's where you'll find all the resources and options you need. It's a good idea to bookmark this page if you plan on using it regularly. Once on the page, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout. This will save you time in the future and make navigation a breeze. Now let's shift our focus to the service section. On your HubSpot user guide page, you'll see a variety of tabs or sections, and among them, the Service tab. Click on it. This tab is crucial for managing any service-related inquiries or functions. It serves as a hub for all the support mechanisms you might need to engage with prospects or customers. Moving forward, our next stop is Chat Flows. Within the Service section, you'll find an option titled Chat Flows. Click on that option. This is where the magic happens concerning automated interaction with your website visitors. Chat Flows facilitates creating chatbots or live chat experiences that can be tailored to your specific business needs. This feature helps in maintaining customer interactions and ensuring that you don't miss any critical engagement opportunities. Now, let's move on to creating a new chat flow. Look for the Create Chat Flow button and give it a click. This stage is all about setting up a new automated stream of communication. Clicking on Create Chat Flow opens up a range of options. Here, you decide what kind of chat experience you want to offer. Live chat, bots for FAQ, or even a more complex customer service flow. It's an intuitive process. You'll have templates and options guiding you every step of the way. Take your time at this stage to think about what your customers might need and how your chat flow can resolve their inquiries effectively. And there you have it. Whether you're just getting started with HubSpot or looking to refine your customer interaction strategy, the user guide service section, navigating chat flows, and creating a new chat flow are key. Remember, HubSpot is a powerful tool, and understanding it can drive your business growth significantly. Practice these steps a few times, and soon enough, you'll be moving through them like a pro. Thank you for joining me today, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.